Welcome back to Narcissism Freedom. Today, we're exploring a topic that is both deeply personal and profoundly transformative: learning to respect the power of love, healing your heart, and reclaiming your strength. If you've been through toxic relationships, narcissistic abuse, or heartbreak, this message is for you. It's a reminder that your heart is sacred, your love is powerful, and your strength can never truly be taken from you. Love is one of the most potent forces in the universe. It can heal wounds, inspire courage, and restore faith in yourself when the world feels heavy and cold. But love is also delicate. It requires respect, understanding, and conscious choice. When it is disrespected, misused, or manipulated, it can leave deep scars. This is why learning to respect the power of love is so essential, not only for the way you interact with others, but for how you honor yourself. Too often, we give our love freely, even when it is not received with the same respect. We forgive too quickly, tolerate harmful behavior, or overextend our emotional energy to those who do not appreciate it. And while forgiveness and compassion are beautiful, there is divine strength in knowing your boundaries, understanding your worth, and saying no when love is being disrespected. Protecting your heart is not selfish, it is sacred. Healing your heart begins with awareness. Start by recognizing the ways in which love has been misused or disrespected in your life. Reflect on past relationships and experiences, not with judgment, but with clarity. Acknowledge the pain you've carried, the moments you felt unseen or unheard, and the times your love was taken for granted. By facing these truths, you reclaim your power. You no longer allow past wounds to dictate your present or future. The journey of healing also involves self-compassion. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that our love is only valuable if it is accepted or validated by others. This is not true. Your love is valuable simply because it exists. When you treat yourself with kindness, when you honor your emotions without shame or guilt, you are actively reclaiming your strength. You are telling yourself that your heart matters and that it will not be sacrificed for anyone who cannot honor it. It is equally important to surround yourself with people who respect the power of love. Look for relationships that nurture, support, and inspire you. These people are mirrors of the love you deserve. Pay attention to the energy you allow into your space. Notice how certain individuals make you feel. Do they uplift you or drain you? The more you honor your own heart, the more naturally you attract relationships that are healthy, loving, and empowering. The process of reclaiming your strength is not always easy. You may encounter moments of doubt, memories of past pain, or even resistance from people who do not want to see you rise. But each time you choose love consciously, rather than settling for less, you step into a higher version of yourself. You begin to understand that your strength lies not in controlling others, but in controlling how you allow love to enter your life. You learn that discernment, courage, and self-respect are more powerful than any external validation. Respecting the power of love also means learning when to walk away. Love should not feel like sacrifice or depletion. It should feel expansive, uplifting, and life-giving. If a relationship consistently drains you, diminishes your worth, or undermines your peace, it may be time to step back. Walking away is not a failure. It is a declaration that you value yourself enough to protect your heart. Take a moment to reflect on the words of Proverbs 4 verse 23. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Guarding your heart does not mean closing yourself off from love. It means respecting it, protecting it, and choosing wisely who is allowed to hold a place within it. Every time you choose to honor your heart, you reclaim a piece of your strength and your life. Healing your heart is also a daily practice. It may involve setting boundaries, journaling, meditating, or engaging in activities that bring you joy and peace. Surround yourself with reminders of your worth. Speak to yourself kindly. Affirm that you are deserving of love that heals, nurtures, and empowers. Every small act of self-respect builds momentum, slowly restoring the trust between you and your heart. Remember that your strength grows from love that is conscious and intentional. It grows from the courage to stand in your truth, to refuse toxicity, and to choose relationships that align with your values and your inner light. Respecting the power of love is not passive, it is active. It requires mindfulness, discernment, and a willingness to take responsibility for your own heart. So today, repeat to yourself, I honor my heart. I respect the power of love. I reclaim my strength. You are worthy of love that heals, empowers, and uplifts. You are capable of choosing love that reflects your highest self. And you are never alone in this journey. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual guidance and empowerment. Keep walking in your truth, protect your heart, and always honor the sacred power of love within you.